Hello everyone. In this video we will solve LeetCode problem number 2089, that is find target indices after sorting array. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given a 0 index integer array nums and a target element target. A target index is an index I such that nums of I equal to target. Return a list of the target indices of nums after sorting nums in non-decreasing order. If there are no target indices, return an empty list. The return list must be sorted in increasing order. So in this problem statement, we are having two input things. One is the 0 index integer array nums and other is target element, that is target, which is in the form of integer. So what we have to do is we have to sort the given nums array in non-decreasing order, and then we have to iterate through the complete sorted array, and we have to find that if any element in the sorted nums array matches the value of target, and if it matches the value of target value, then we have to return the index. And if there are multiple index in that array that matches the value, then we have to return all those indices in increasing order. So let's understand this better with the given example. So in example number 1, we are given the nums array as 1, 2, 5, 2, 3. So this is the nums array. After sorting this, if we sort the nums, then it will be 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. And the given target element is, for the first example, the target is 2. So what we have to do is, in the complete this sorted nums array, we have to find the indices which holds the value 2. So this is index 1 and this is index 2, which holds the value of 2. So we have to return these two indices, that is 1 and 2. So this will be the answer, that is 1 and 2 are the return values. In example 2, let's take the example 2. So in example 2, we are given target element as 3 and this is the input nums array. The input nums array is 1, 2, 5, 2, 3. If we sort this nums array, it will be 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and we want 3. So this is on the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be the return value. And this 3 should be returned in a form of vector. Here they are asking to return in a form of vector. So how we can solve this? So let me write these steps. Yeah, so these are the steps which we are going to perform. First, we will sort the given nums array, and then we will iterate through the complete nums array, and we will find if any elements in the nums array, that is elements of nums equal to target, then we will store that target value in output. We will store the target index in the output array, and finally we will return the output array that holds the target index. And if if the output array is empty, that we don't find any value in the sorted nums array equal to the value of target, then it will be empty and it will be returned as empty. So let's code this. So quickly I will explain what I did in this code. First we have sorted the given nums array, and then we are iterating through the complete nums array, and we are finding if the value matches to the target, and if the value matches to the target, then we are pushing that index to the output array, and in the end we are returning the output array. So let's run this for one of the test case. Accepted. Running it for all the test cases. Yes, so this is accepted. Hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching this video.